Today I'm going to share with you how to install the Chinese diesel heater and split it to two heat areas. So this is going to be for two separate buildings. And I'm also going to use my new camera. It's the Insta360 Go 3, and well, what an amazing piece of kit. So let's go and show you what it does. Right, I've set my magnet thing up because it's a bit cold outside. So there you go, 360 camera. There's, you might see the wee disc there. Okay. Ta-da. So it's got a field of view, does its own stabilisation, and the microphone's right there. Right, let's go get started on this project. Now, as I'm walking down to get prepared here, I thought I'd share with you that the Insta360 also comes with this wee box. It's an amazing piece of kit, I can assure you. But if you want to see how I got on with it, you stick a comment down below and I'll do a video on that. If not, there's plenty of other people have got them. So let's go and get cracking now on this field of view and see how we get on. So with the help of the blinds, I forgot about this place. Why stand outside when I can do this inside? So here's the T-piece connector. This is going to connect, I'll put it that way, this end will connect right into the Chinese diesel heater. Once that's in place, this end will be the black pipe coming from the summerhouse will go into here. Here's the other stuff now. A word of warning to you guys, if you're actually using this outside, okay, which I have done, this has been easy, I would say 6 months of use sitting outside, and as you can see, like, it's just garbage. But I'm only needing a small bit of it, so rather than throw this away, okay, I'm going to use the scissors. There you go, that's one end cut. It's easy to deal and cut with this stuff, so. And there you go, done, one piece. So now I've got the one piece done, okay. This end here, this is what's going into the heater, okay. And then as you can see, I put my clamp onto that. So it's like a camera, is it? Right, so when that's on to the diesel heater, the air's coming out and we'll go that way and that way, alright? So now I need to get this one. Now this is similar to this, but it's silver, okay? So the reason I'm going to try this is I'm going to see how good this one is compared to the black, because if that degrades out there as well, the next thing I might have to go and look at then is, you know, the stuff you use on your tumble dryers. We'll see how that goes. So what I'll do is, that's going in, we'll fit this onto here now, and then that'll be ready just to bring onto the Dutch barn. Starting to take shape now. So it's like a massive slinky. It's up the stairs, it's down the stairs. It's an incredible slinky. So there you go. Now this side here is going to be another piece of this black stuff, right, which is currently sticking out at my summer house here. So what I need to do now is that goes onto the diesel heater, summer house clips onto there, and that one goes out to the Dutch barn. Okay. Time to go to this camera now. It's point of view time. Reconnecting. Reconnecting. That's it, we're in. Okay, so I'm on the wee gimp now, and I'm able to watch myself on the wee screen. So here's what I've done up to now. The feed used to go from here, and then it went into here. Okay. But what I've done is, I've had to get another bit of pipe and take it from here, so that now is showing you the feed into the summer house. So I'm now going to be able to take this off of here, put a T-piece in, and then join them up. Right, I'm not sure how good this camera is coming over, so to be honest with you, I've just went and screwed this in. So as you can see, that's the joints done to the heater onto the T-piece, solid T-piece there. That's going into the summer house to there, and then the other side of the T-piece floats out, and as you can see, goes into that, and that's that going into the Dutch barn. So protective cover now, and there you go. If I stand back here a bit, oh, need to go on a diet. So if I stand back here now, and there you go, there's the gaps between the summer house and the Dutch barn, and there you are. I'm quite happy with that. So now it needs one further test, and what we'll do is, the other test has to be done in here. So I've got this done now. So as you can see, 1517, and that's on. Wow, there's the fan started. Okay, so if you can see here, you've got the fan, that's it starting up, and we're just waiting on it starting to prime in, so they will actually fire it up. Now the reason I'm using a lot of full battery on this is I'm using this machine down here, okay, and what that is doing is that's ensuring that in the winter time, well there you go, today we've got a wee bit of sunshine again, so as you can see like to that, the sun's out, it's absolutely blinding here, right, but like, it's only producing 1.7 watts, which is absolutely nothing. My battery, I used it the other day, is down to 11.3 volts, and that, I'm sorry, is not enough. So what we'll do is, I'm going to now swing the power on this up to 22 degrees, and the plan is to go out to the Dutch barn, sorry, lock up the Dutch barn, go out to the summer house, and what I should get now is constant heat. So while I'm waiting on that happening, I'll go and edit this bit of film. Just been and checked both of them, and to be honest with you, the blow that's coming out of this, it doesn't seem to have reduced by much that you would notice. So it's like, although the heat's going two ways, it's still quite a good volume of heat coming out of this. So, onto the thermometer. So currently, I'm going to show you the thermometer if I can get them to tune in. There you go. So what is that? 13 degrees? There or thereabouts. Yeah, 13 degrees. Okay. Now I've set the thermostat Ben in the Dutch barn there. I've set that to 21 degrees. So it'll be very interesting because I can hear it just now going at full tilt, pumping the air into both sides. But I'm hoping that it'll just drop itself down when it gets to 21 degrees. Ben there, but I'll see what temperature it keeps it at in here. Remember, it's heating up a smaller area, Ben, there, so time will tell. I'll come back when I've done that, but right, I've just altered the temperatures next door there. Toasty and really warm in here. So what I've done was I cut it down because just for testing purposes, the speed has dropped, the thermostat's kicked in, and I'm not sure if you can pick it up, but it is actually 20 degrees in here. So the heat's still pouring in slowly, but it's still pouring in. So that's it, it's all done. Another success. But put electrics in now so that I've got I can sit here and watch my podcasts and whatever. So thanks for watching. Mind and hit that like button to beat the algorithm. I'll see you in the next one. I'll say that.